Hello, in this video, I'm going to be discussing what an alkyl halide is. Before we dive into what an alkyl halide is, I would like to talk about alkyl group. When we say alkyl group, what are we talking about? So, alkyl group is an alkane that has lost one hydrogen. So, for example, the first alkane, which is a methane, CH4, when it loses one hydrogen, it gives us a methyl group. When the second alkane, which is ethane, when ethane loses one hydrogen, what happens is that it becomes an alkyl group. And so on. We could keep going on down to 10th carbon, which is decane. So the major thing to take home today is that when alkane loses one hydrogen, it gives you an alkyl group. So now that we know what an alkyl group is, what is an alkyl halide? So an alkyl halide can also be called haloalkane or halogenoalkane. It is a group of compounds consisting of an alkane which has one or more of its hydrogen replaced by a halogen. Examples of halogens are chlorine, bromine, iodine, or fluorine. From the examples I gave earlier on alkyl group, what alkyl halide is simply telling us is that instead of this, where we have one of the hydrogen being lost to give an alkyl group, right? This hydrogen here would be replaced by a halogen, which could be chlorine, bromine, or any of those halogens, right? So in this case, the hydrogen will be lost, giving us the alkyl group, but then it's being replaced by a halogen. So in this case, you have CH3Cl, or it could be Cl, it could be bromine, it could be iodine, or any of those halogens. Then, for example, you also have the CH3, CH3, losing one hydrogen gives you CH3, CH2, replaced by a bromine. Okay? It could also be, for example, it could be something like this. Okay? Now, it loses one hydrogen. In line structure, you won't see the difference, but if we write it out, what will happen is that there will then be a halogen attached to where the hydrogen must have been lost. Okay, so this is what alkyl halide is about. It is an alkane that has lost a hydrogen or two or more, but that hydrogen or hydrogens that was lost is replaced by a halogen. Okay, this is the end of the video, and if you would like to know more about alkyl halides, the naming, the classification, check out our other videos. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.